welcome back. We have two amazing vehicles behind me. We have SF90 Revuelto, two brands, two competitors, very similar cars except for engine size and stuff. But you guys saw the Revuelto right now, and you know the internet, I feel, is getting very good vibes about it. We get a little bit of hate on the wheels, but I think the wheels are very different, very cool looking. They're kind of retro / classic style. Obviously, we could put 5 spokes, we could do mesh design, whatever. But, you know, having some fun with it because we don't want to have same builds, you know, try to make them different, obviously. I say that, but these two cars are matching. So we got both of them wrapped up here in the satin silver color, same exact wrap. It's my favorite wrap color for a long time. One of the first ones I did was a Cullinan. I don't even remember how long that was, right when the Cullinan came out. But even before then, paint jobs, whatever. But satin silver looks incredible on everything when you do it the right way. Both of them have 1016 Industries carbon fiber body kits, pretty much full kits on both of these cars. SF90 is not a wide body, but it does have the fenders with the crazy aggressive vents in them. But the Revuelto obviously is the wide body. Crazy cars, that's about $1 million car right now, the Revuelto, with that on there. And the SF90, it is a Spider, so it is the more valuable version. So this one probably is more around 700, probably. Believe it or not, SF90 is a tad bit faster than the Revuelto in stock form. Beautiful cars, blue interior on this guy, everybody really loves this. This went to SEMA. Debuted itself, showed itself there. Everybody loved it. That one has a black and white interior. Beautiful car too. I believe the Revuelto, the owner got a good offer, so he might be selling it already, which is nuts. But really crazy car. The front end looks insane. In the videos you guys saw it. We also did that little funny narrow body video that blew up also. I hope you guys like it. YouTube twice a week, Monday, Fridays. We've been doing it for over 7-8 years. Go back, watch some old videos, honestly. I do that sometimes because it was fun back then too. So pretty cool to see it. Let us know which car you guys would take. Revuelto, SF90, all modded up like this. Honestly, I still might take the SF90, but you guys comment below, let us know.
We have a Porsche Panamera GTS. Okay, so this car is in here for nothing too crazy. Customer has a couple of pieces of some just carbon pieces that we're gonna add on the wing. That's about it. And then 2 little small pieces right on the right by the fender area. That's basically it. We're putting 4 new tires on this thing. We're doing 4 Michelins, and that's pretty much it for this. So nothing really crazy, just like a quick little upgrade. Get it done in a few hours, no big deal. And that's about it for this one. Porsche Panamera GTS is all done. Again, like I said, this wasn't too complicated to do. We finished it in 1 day. Carbon wing is done. All the accessories for the carbon is done. As you guys can see, small little details changed the whole rear end of the car. This car needed some carbon in the back and it got it. So it's really nice. Also, as you guys can see, let's go to the front. The front is already done too. Perfect fitment. We have some tape on there so it dries and everything's good. That's about it for this one. Good to go.
Carnal.
1 day.
Paint again.
1 day paint. One day paint again.
Okay, we have a complete man's rebuild to do. Calling this guy, instead of doing that thing, this guy's painting the thing, RDB thing. Sign. Logo. I paint again, he says.
I have a oldie but goodie here. This is a SVJ. Belongs to an old friend / client of ours. This car has a lot going on. It's a full paint job, all kinds of stuff has happened to it. But came back from out of country and we're gonna be installing its carbon fiber little pieces on the wheels. He took them off so it doesn't get damaged during shipping because they're pretty special wheels. So we're gonna be putting that back on and we're gonna be doing a service on it. That's it. This thing is pretty cool looking. SVJs, you guys know, have been just going up in value. Really, really nice. He also got a Revuelto that he wants to do crazy full paint job and a body kit. So we're gonna be working with him on that, hopefully, and do a pretty crazy build on that. So yeah, this is a really, really nice SVJ. Revuelto color, as you guys remember, the old Revuelto, the really, really rare car, and this is that color. So pretty cool to see. Very, very honored to be able to work on this gentleman's car. So thank you.
Thanksgiving to everybody. I know it's late, but we can, what we can say, bro, is
Still counts.
yeah, it's count.
It counts.
What's yesterday, but for us, it's today and tomorrow and yesterday and before yesterday. It's Thanksgiving. We have Thanksgiving every fucking. Thank God for everything. Then for my friends, my family, everybody on the world. Yesterday, I broke the law because I ate too much yesterday. Oh my goodness. If I lose weight, yesterday I get some pounds more. So, sorry about that.
We're just talking about you.
Last year, Moses, he buy something special for him. This year, I don't know what he's gonna buy.
What are you gonna get him for Christmas?
What do you want?
Oh, what I want?
Motorcycle.
No, my new motorcycle, yes.
New motorcycle, that's good. That's your thing.
What do you want for Christmas?
Who's gonna bring you the motorcycle? Papa Noel?
Papa Noel.
Problem?
He lost a couple of clips.
I want clips for Christmas.
You want clips for
I'll
Christmas?
buy you clips for Christmas.
I have a lot. Look at them.
Yeah?
Whatever is missing, let me see the magic.
It's like a baby.
Whatever is missing. Okay, I need one like this, right?
Okay.
Give it an actual clip holder.
Fried pork.
What? Fried pork. What is the thing?
about it.
What is the
All right, we'd like to introduce you to a new character unlocked here at RDB.
Arthur? Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, just so you know, this is a one-take YouTube channel. We don't do takes, we just attack.
Yeah.
So this might be a little sloppy the first time.
100%.
But Arthur here is the body shop manager, and he is excellent at customer service. So you guys are gonna be very happy. But tell us a little bit about what this is.
So a customer came in, full carbon piece, aftermarket for his Lotus engine cover. He wanted us to paint it and leave the Lotus in white. So obviously this is a 3-stage. It takes a lot of time. It's very hard. And this red he chose, it's a 3-stage red. Beautiful color. I don't know what it's called, but it's very
It kind of
nice.
looks like the URUS we just did,
I
actually.
think it's exactly the URUS.
Yeah.
I think that's what he chose.
So we put Lamborghini paint on the Lotus engine cover, which is here actually right now. It's a pretty cool car. It's a newer Lotus.
Yeah,
right?
he actually just brought it
Yeah.
in. This is the old one. This is the new one right here. I think it's gonna look pretty damn awesome.